Peter Munya, who's they think that I would be their presidential candidate, which is their right. Other people have done that. Peter Munya, who's the party leader of PNU, said that the other day clearly that, we in PNU, our presidential candidate will be Fred Matiang'i. We will support him. The other parties who have said that. Discussions are going on. I know that in the long run, I will run or I will, be a candidate from a particular party. But in this phase of my present life, I am engaged in conversations and discussions with a number of political players with a view to finally creating a framework or going into national contestation through a framework of a coalition. But very, very soon, I am going to make public my final decision on that matter and my final membership of a party on that particular matter. And we will go forward. I'll continue to work with the others, on national politics. And by the way, as I said earlier, I don't know why anyone would be impatient about this matter, because these negotiations and these discussions are painstaking and they take a long time. You don't have to hurry them. You saw what happened in 2002. You saw what happened in 2017, 2013, sorry, and so on. If the discussions continue even up to the last quarter